My favorite reindeer Rudolph. So cute. I feel thirsty. Let's go, guys. Have some brown sugar milk tea shake. We need 1 sachet Mixla brown sugar milk tea fun travel pack. I can have my favorite beverage everywhere and anytime. So first, just pour the milk in the shaker, and I would like some ice cubes, so when I shake it, it's going to mix well. Now, we shake it. Haha. Have this nice glass. I put some boba balls. It looks so yummy. And I pour the brown sugar milk tea shake gently into the cup. I love to decorate my brown sugar milk tea with some whipped cream. Haha. Now you see, jelly bear sliding on the whipped cream. So cute. I can't wait to taste it. So delicious. Merry Christmas, guys. Bye.